All right, so I'm going to show you how to do it first with desmos.com/matrix. So you cannot go to the normal Desmos that you go to. You have to go here. Okay, so this is the easiest way to do it. I'll also show you how to do it on one of those graphing calculators. So in Miss Ryder's room, they're yellow and gray. I'll show you how to do it on there too. But first, let's do desmos.com/matrix. When you do that, that looks like this when you bring it up. We need to type in a new matrix, and it asks us how many rows and how many columns we want. We want 2 rows and 3 columns. If you recall, the top row was 3x minus 2y equals 25. So I'm going to put 3, -2, and 25, just like I did whenever I was doing it by hand, except now it's much easier. Then I'm going to do 2, 5, and 4. And I'm going to hit enter so that it saves it. It now associates, hi Duncan, sorry, my dog interrupted. So A is now saved as a matrix. And if you recall, this is called row reduced echelon form. So I click that RREF button there in the very bottom. And then RREF of what? Matrix A. And notice, boom, it pops out exactly what I need. So 7, -2 as my answer. All right, so that's how to do it matrix way. If you're not interested in the calculator way, stop the video now. But next I'm moving on to calculator for tools in your toolbox. So this one's going to look pretty similar to our calculator enough that you should be able to mimic what we're doing here. All right, so if you go to Alpha Zoom, and yours comes up as vertical, but I want a 2x3 matrix. Okay, and I've already messed up, so that's cool. That's okay. So we're going to go ahead and do this. Remember to hit negative down at the very bottom. Don't hit minus or you'll get a wrong answer. And then 2, 5, and 4. Now, I'm going to go back to the very, very front here. Second insert. So that's second delete there right next to your arrows. Then if you go 1, 2, 3 buttons below the blue button, you'll see in blue it says matrix. So you hit second matrix, and we want to do some math. So that's just like the edits and stuff we want to do. We go all the way down till we see RREF, and I think it is B on yours as well, but scroll down to C. And so now we have RREF of this matrix that we just put in. And we hit enter, and boom, we get the same answer. So you can do it with a graphing calculator, you can do it with Desmos, you could do it by hand, but I don't recommend it. But there are shorter ways to solve systems. This also works for a 3 variables, so the ones where you were solving X, Y, and Z. The only difference would be when you make your matrix, you would then make it a 3. Oh, not that. You would make it a 3x4. And you would put your X, your Y, your Z, and then your constant.